Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the smartest reviews on the smartest tech. Today, we're diving into the best smart ring for health tracking that's making waves online. The Weylmd Smart Ring for women and men. Let's talk first impressions. The Weylmd Smart Ring is sleek, subtle, and surprisingly lightweight. At a glance, it looks like a stylish fashion accessory. But hidden inside is a full suite of wellness and fitness features designed to give you insights into your body, day and night. The Weylmd Smart Ring is equipped with heart rate and sleep tracking, giving you real-time health metrics without the bulk of a wristwatch. It monitors your heart rate continuously, helping you keep track of cardiovascular performance whether you're at the gym, walking to work, or simply relaxing. At night, it tracks your sleep patterns so you can understand how long and how well you're resting. Whether you're looking to improve sleep quality or just want to make sense of your fatigue, this ring gives you actionable insights. So whether you're running in the rain, washing dishes, or sweating it out during a workout, the ring stays safe and fully functional. It's built to be worn all day, every day. Comfort is where this ring really shines. It's available in a range of sizes, from 7 to 13, ensuring a snug fit for every hand. The ring is ultra light, so you'll barely notice it's there. You can wear it to the gym, to the office, or even to a formal dinner. It's that versatile. Now let's talk connectivity. The Weylmd Smart Ring is compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. Once paired via Bluetooth, all your wellness data syncs directly to your smartphone, allowing you to track your health over time. Let's just say, it's built for the long haul. The ring itself holds a charge for 3 to 4 days of regular use. But here's the kicker. It comes with a 300 mAh charging case. That case provides 10 full recharges. That means up to 40 days of usage on the go without needing to find a plug. Perfect for travel, hiking trips, or even just a busy lifestyle. Honestly, anyone who wants to monitor their wellness without making a style sacrifice. If you want fitness tracking in a form factor that blends into your daily life, this ring is a fantastic choice. You're getting heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, water resistance, long battery life, and cross-platform compatibility, all in a package the size of your finger. To wrap up, if you're looking for a smart, stylish, and affordable way to stay in tune with your health, the Weylmd Smart Ring is the best smart ring for health tracking right now. It blends function with fashion and wellness with wearability, all without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our breakdowns of the latest tech trends. Catch you in the next one.